I just wanted to share the ultimate setup for me here in St. George. I come out first thing in the morning to fly. It's been real windy this spring. There's a little breeze coming from this direction this morning, but it's manageable. They're predicting some heavier winds, but does that look cool or what? After I get done flying, I'll go around the corner over here and do a workout on the old dirt bike. It is so cool. We'll have a great year this year. So the old Ninja, Black Widow, RM250, we're ready to go.